Hola amigo y amiga que visitas nuestros vídeos. Hoy desde Innovalini.com te presentamos una reforma de cocina integral con galería integrada en 10 días. Te dejamos con Álvaro que te explicará detalladamente todos los pasos de esta reforma. Dios te bendiga.
Innovalini.com. Reformas de cocinas y baños en Barcelona. Innovalini, renovando tu interior. Si aún no eres parte del canal Innovalini, suscríbete, así estarás enterado de los nuevos videos que iremos subiendo.
Mira las reseñas que nuestros clientes nos han puesto en Google porque han quedado satisfechos con el trabajo realizado.
Cocinas y baños en Barcelona.
At Innovalini, we are delighted to show you how we carry out a comprehensive kitchen renovation, focusing on the kitchen remodeling by uniting it with the gallery to create a larger and more functional space. Today we will show you how we carried out this exciting project for one of our clients. Disassembly and recutting. The first step is to remove all the kitchen furniture and redo both the kitchen and the gallery. This process includes the removal of furniture, countertops and tiles, preparing the area for the next stages of the kitchen renovation. Ruin and breakdown of the wall. With the kitchen and gallery cleared, we proceed to collect all the debris generated and tear down the wall that divides the gallery from the kitchen. This step is crucial to opening up the space and allowing for effective kitchen remodeling.
Diseño, decoración y muebles a medida en Innovalini.
Regatas and facilities. Next, we carry out the necessary rigging for the new electrical and plumbing installations. This step ensures that the kitchen will have all the necessary connections for modern appliances and fixtures. Cover regatas and ceramics on the floor. Once the regatas are done, we proceed to cover them and place the ceramics on the ground. We use high-quality materials to guarantee durability and an impeccable finish.
Renovando tu interior.
Embroidery on the floor and placing ceramics on walls. We applied Borada on the floor to secure the tiles and then placed the ceramic on the walls. This process gives an aesthetic and functional touch to the kitchen, preparing it for final assembly.
Reforma integral de cocinas y baños.
Embroidery on walls and final preparation. After placing the ceramic on the walls, we applied Borada to secure the tiles and remove the cardboard that protected the floor during the work. In addition, we installed a Junkers heater, guaranteeing energy efficiency and comfort for the client.
Renovando tu interior.
Assembly and placement of kitchen furniture. We assemble and place kitchen furniture, including high and low cabinets and columns. This step is crucial to optimize storage space and ensure a functional and stylish kitchen.
Renovando tu interior.
Installation of appliances and accessories. Finally, we installed the appliances, faucets, and the stainless sink. We ensure that all elements are correctly installed and ready for use, thus completing the kitchen renovation.
Diseño, decoración, muebles a medida, instalaciones eléctrica, pladur, parquet, puertas, cuartos de baño.
At Innovalini, we stand out for our policy of good practices. We know how important it is to meet the established deadlines. That is why we offer a compensation of €250 for each day of delay in the delivery of the project. This commitment reflects our seriousness and dedication to our clients. At Innovalini, transforming kitchens and improving the quality of life of our customers is our passion. If you are thinking about a kitchen renovation or kitchen remodel, and you want a spacious and modern space, contact us. Thank you for joining us on this journey.
Si aún no eres parte del canal Innovalini, suscríbete, así estarás enterado de los nuevos videos que iremos subiendo. Innovalini.com. Reformas de cocinas y baños en Barcelona. Innovalini, renovando tu interior.